Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into some quick fixes for those pesky Microsoft Teams installation issues that can drive any IT professional up the wall. Let's get straight into it. Microsoft Teams has become a staple in our daily work routines, but sometimes installing it can be less straightforward than we'd like. Here's how to smooth over the most common bumps in the process. First up, always check if your system meets the minimum requirements for Teams. It sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how often this is overlooked. Make sure your operating system and hardware are up to date and compatible. This can save you a ton of time troubleshooting other issues. Next, let's talk about internet connectivity. Teams requires a stable and fast internet connection to download and install properly. If your installation is stuck or painfully slow, it might just be your network. Try using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi, or ensure that your Wi-Fi is stable and strong. Moving on, if you encounter any error messages during installation, take a moment to jot them down or snap a screenshot. A quick search with the exact error code can often lead you directly to a straightforward solution or a helpful forum discussion. Now, if you're dealing with a corrupt installation, consider using the Windows Installer Cleanup utility. This tool can help remove a previously installed program that's causing the new installation to falter. It's like giving your system a fresh start without those pesky residual files hanging around. For those of you using older Windows versions, compatibility mode can be your best friend. Right-click the installer, go to Properties, then select the Compatibility tab. Choose to run the program in compatibility mode for a more recent version of Windows. This simple trick can bypass a myriad of issues. And here's a pro tip. Disable your antivirus software temporarily during the Teams installation. Sometimes antivirus programs can mistakenly flag and block legitimate installation processes. Just don't forget to turn it back on once you're done. Lastly, if all else fails, reach out to Microsoft support or check out the Microsoft Tech community. There's a whole world of IT pros out there who've probably faced the same issues and have insights to offer. And that wraps up our quick guide on fixing Microsoft Teams installation issues. Try these steps before pulling your hair out, and you'll likely find a solution that gets Teams up and running smoothly on your machine. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.